Have you ever wanted to visit Brandywine Falls Provincial Park?
Well, as part of our Squamish British Columbia adventure, we went to visit this gorgeous park and see its beautiful waterfall.
And that's what we're fixing to show you.
Hey y'all, I'm Dawn.
And I'm Cole.
And we're younger every day.
On this channel, we share tips and tricks for RV living, do product reviews, and take you on awesome adventures just like this one.
If you've missed any of our story, you can click right up here to get all caught up.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that and click the bell so you get notified every time we post a new adventure. We just finished our Alaskan cruise, and now we're spending a week in Squamish, British Columbia, which is just north of Vancouver.
So we got to Squamish and we really didn't know what to expect. But oh my gosh, this place is amazing. It is an outdoor adventure's paradise.
Yeah, it really is. There are so many things to do, so we'll be sure to share some more videos to let you see what we found.
But right now, we're at Brandywine Falls and we're about to go check out the waterfall. So let's go.
We are here in Canada at Brandywine Falls, which is 25 some odd kilometers north of Squamish in British Columbia. And it's pretty amazing. So I'm gonna walk over here to the falls so you can get the full experience here, the sound and the sight. That's pretty awesome. Our family likes the falls and we like to hike. Although this is a pretty easy hike. It's a pretty commercialized trail, which is cool. It has guardrails and chain link and things. The falls are beautiful. I think it said 35 meters. There it is. Yeah, right there. Everybody's waiting for me because we want to go to the lookout. So we'll go take a look at the lookout. Careful, Ansley.
Haha, I've done it! Daddy, stay on the rock!
I'm doing the balance game. Oh, I lost it. That's pretty neat little find here. Glad y'all got up on this. Come on back, Connor.
I'm the one who found this. Copyright Haley.
High five. Copyright Haley. Get out of the way. Let Connor come. Whoa! Dude, that was so close to getting a serious injury. Are you all right?
I'm fine.
Kenzie, Nancy, just come back to safety.
This is easy.
Don't go there. Connor, that's too far, bud. That's far enough.
What was that you wanted to know, Haley?
Why are there so many trees that have fallen?
Because we're in a forest and trees get old and they die and they fall down. Just kind of the way nature is. What do you think, Kinsey?
I don't know. I just like it.
Okay.
Ah.
Kinsey's commentary is she just likes it.
So that was a fun place.
It really was. It was an easy walk, a beautiful waterfall, and there was a gorgeous lookout.
It was so pretty. And apparently our family really likes waterfalls.
Yeah, we do.
One of the favorite places we visited so far has been Shoshone Falls.
Yeah, if you haven't seen that video, go ahead and click right up here to check it out.
And now Brandywine Falls. So pretty too.
Yeah, so now we want to know, what is the most amazing waterfall you've seen?
Help us and the rest of the Younger Everyday community plan our next adventures by letting us know in the comments below.
Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and we hope you check out some of our other videos too.
So, finding an amazing place like Squamish just because we were trying to find somewhere close to Vancouver to stay, and then stumbling onto amazing sites like Brandywine Falls is just another way that we're living younger every day.
We'll see you in the next one.